Things you didn't know. PowerPoint edition, part 3.
Do you have to copy and paste an image or text box on a fairly regular basis, but it's really time-consuming to do all that right-clicking, copy-paste, or you forget the key shortcuts? Don't worry, I have a really easy solution for you. If you want to duplicate this image multiple times, the only thing you need to do is click on the image, hold the Control button, and then click and drag the image to your new spot. You can continue to do this over and over again until you've duplicated that image as many times as you needed. You can do the same thing with any text box. All you need to do is click the text box, hold Control, and then drag that text box wherever you needed to duplicate it. And again, you can repeat this as many times as you needed. Have a great day.